Hello, Zero Amelia MD here, physician, firefighter, writer. This is Vlog 12, Samgyeopsal cheat day and Father's Day workout. This is June 21, 2020, and it's Father's Day. What do you want to say, Icy? Say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Okay, he can't say it. We're having a barbecue outside. This is Marcus is going to be cooking. We have chicken wings, samgyeopsal, and here is our little samgyeopsal table, and we're gonna cook it.
Oh my God!
Why? What's wrong?
Look! Look at that! That's cold!
It's a sink.
A sink?
Yes, it's a sink.
What's a sink?
It's somewhere for the water.
Mommy's cooking loud!
Get the chair. Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna get the chair. You're cooking?
Yeah, you wanna cook?
What? This one?
We'll
Because
get
I'm
some
blending.
gypsum. Get some of the samgyeopsal. Uh-oh, it's all frozen. You should cook too. Do you want to cook? It's a barbecue. You should cook.
Barbecue!
Come on. This is the noodles. The noodles is long shin, super spicy. Shin red. That's the bean paste. Do you like that, Marcus?
Yes.
No, the bean paste. Do you want this one?
No.
Why?
I want to be like this. Oh.
Want to be like that.
Cheese, the cheese. This is called lumpiang sariwa. Okay, sariwa. This is chicken wings with parmesan and teriyaki. We have the lettuce and some shrimp. And IC is already.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's about done. Mukbang mode time.
Yeah, here let me break it down. Yeah, I'm gonna make it now. Give me some time and you'll see me up on stage somehow. I'm working every day, I'm working hella late. I'm working.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is called the muscle run version. I get the samgyeopsal meat, shrimp, this one. Put on some of the paste, rub it around. Magnifico. Okay, got you guys some water. Since it's Father's Day, we go for this party.
Father's Day! It's a holiday!
It's a holiday. It's a barbecue day. Okay?
Barbecue day!
Now let's go.
Oh.
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna.
So this is how I prepare my noodles. I get to cook it with the samgyeopsal griller. It's a hot pot machine. As you can see, we got everything in there already. It's very hot, so we only use the lowest setting.
And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't real.
Savory noodles. When you're into a cheat day, you're going all out. But you're not into junk foods and alcohol. You're eating stuff that you didn't get to eat the past week. Your body is actually assimilating nutrients it hungers for. Samgyeopsal is perfect for a cheat day regimen. It is a Korean dish that utilizes a lot of spices. It's antioxidants galore with a touch of fat from a pork belly. You gain a little bit of weight after all that Korean buffet, but you lose it all back when you return to your weight loss regimen and high intensity exercises. Speaking of exercises, I just picked up a couple of dumbbells and just went at it all afternoon.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't.
So tell me guys if you like this video by hitting the thumbs up and commenting down below. Subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for notifications if you haven't done so. If you haven't been watching the previous videos, I have been hinting at what the next 100 videos are gonna be. Summarized in one word, replay. So I hope you're a fan of health, firefighter, safety, rescue, and gaming here at the Zero Melia MD YouTube channel. This is Zero Melia. Peace out.